Looks easy. Now you're stuck. Stay tight on the right, or you won't get in. Wheel hits the line. Turn left. Full right. Reverse. Watch your mirrors. When the car lines up, straighten. Drive in. Think getting out is easy? Watch. U-turn, rear moves to the center. Hit. Don't turn yet. Go forward, then left. Think forward is easier? Watch. Bad move. Do this instead. Go wider left. Give it space. Mirror hits the headlight. Turn right. Stop. Keep going, you'll be crooked. Wheels straight. Forward a bit. Right again. Stop. Still think it's easy? Watch. Too early. Hit. Do this instead. Back up. Mirrors past the line. Turn left. Now you're out.